Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afiq FITRI bin JUKI and my metric number is AS59338. Today I would like to share my answer for the problem 8.1 using Excel solver. Problem 8.1, which is about Winkler furniture. So we start by defining decision variable, which is x1 and x2. Then we put the value, and third is the coefficient value, which is x1 for 28 and x2 for 25, and the value we just put 1 for x1 and x2 for 1 also. The objective value we calculate by equal and sum product, and take the first column and the second column and equal, then we got 53. Now let's key in the constraints. The first constraint is a carpentry department. The x1 is 3 and x2 is 2. The left hand side here, and then we put right hand side here. Here I put less equal because the first constraint is less equal to which is 360, and we do equal sum product and take the value and for the carpentry department columns, and we got 5 for the left hand side. The second constraint is a painting department, and the x1 for this is 1.5 and the x2 is 1. Then let's equal to 200, and we do the left hand side equal sum product, take the value and then take the value of painting department, and we get 2.5. The third constraint is a finishing department. The x1 is 0.75 and x2 also 0.75. Let's equal to 125, and here we put the equal sum product, take the value x1 and x2 and the value of finishing department, and we got 1.5. The next constraint is contract requirement for x1, which is we put 1 for x1 and equal to 60, equals sum product, and take the value and for the value for s1, and we got 1. The last constraint is contract requirement for x2, and the amount is 1 and equal to 60, equals sum product, take the value and value 1, and we got 1. After the constraint finish, we find the solver, and here is the decision variable. Just select the value and click add, take the left hand side value and right hand side value for the less equal value, then add OK, click add again, and this take the others two value equal, and take the right hand side value and click OK. Change the option to the simplex LP and click the solve, and we got the answer. So we can see here the objective value or the revenue we can get 3,930, and the X1 we got 60 and X2 we got 90. So that's all from me. Thank you.